Welcome to all. Today we discuss conformation of cyclic systems. So we also get the example cyclohexane here we use. So what is the energy profile diagram we also discuss in our discussion, but as per our previous class there we discuss conformation of acyclic systems and their energy. So there we show all the types of energy levels, but today we discuss conformation of cyclic systems. So we also draw the energy level diagram. So which form is most stable and which form is least stable we also discuss in our discussion. So please follow our previous discussion. In our description box we also give the link. Thank you. Please watch this video. Now at first we discuss cyclohexane. So in case cyclohexane, here when this group is present on that pattern, this one is called axial, and this when this one is present like hydrogen, this one is called equatorial. So we can easily say that this bond is equatorial, this bond is equatorial, and here this bond is equatorial. So this one is axial, so this bond is equatorial, so we can easily say that. But when we see that here the form changes to this form, so the axial bond is here, so hydrogen we call here axial and X is the equatorial configuration, and here the hydrogen is equatorial and X is a axial. Now we discuss the energy profile diagram. So as per our starting is here this form when we also use. So if you, one thing is very important here, when this bond presents on that pattern, this one 3, this one 3 on this structure, so when we can pull the second carbon and pressure up third carbon, so what can happen? So happen this bond gives one straight line where 1 2 and 1 3 is present. So this carbon is 2 and this carbon is 3, but other all are remain same. So we can easily draw that this one is 1 3 4 5 6, so other is remains same. So when we can pull the second carbon on upward side and press the third carbon on downward side, then this conformation gives one straight line. So our 2 here presents and 3 here presents, so we can get the structure. And then one thing is very important here, the equatorial bond is HB remains same, H is axial bond remains same, but here when we can press downside the third carbon, the straight line which is present, the carbon is here, and we can pull the second carbon on the upward direction, so we can give the structure. So if you can press the third on downside, means the third on downside, if you press, then the third one breakage is here formed. So here the 4 when present, so if you get here the line, so third if you press, then the breakage third is present here. Now then our 4 our remains same position, so we can get the structure, and 5 remains same position, so 5 is here, and then our 6th position remains same, so 6 is remains here, but here with 2 position we also pull on the upward side, so now 2 is present here, then our 1 carbon remains same position, so we can draw the structure easily. So what is happen? What of the thing is happen here? Just 3 position pull downside, means one bond get the breakage form here at the middle position 3, which 3 is here and 4 is here, then 1 is here. So just simply break, and this bond just remains on that pattern present, but if you push and press on that position, then this bond remains on that pattern. So here this structure we also form, but after you press the 5 position and the pull the 6th one position, then you can get the structure, and at last we get this structure. But what thing is happen here? So now this form is our chair form, but this one is our half chair. It is also called half chair form is here. On this one is our twist boat. The name of the conformer is twist boat. And what is the name on that structure? So this name is a half chair form. Half chair, and this one we also called chair form. So the name is very important. This one is chair. When we press and pull, then form our half chair conformation. Then you can press and pull, then our twist boat conformation, this one, and this one half chair, this one chair. Now we can say that we can easily, this one is our stable form, most stable form, because here the angle strain is absent. So this one is our requires higher energy, because this bond, when we pull and press, the bent bond gives the straight line. So as a reason, we can easily say that the higher energy of that conformation. But in that case of twist boat formation, here twist boat formation is a most stable form, most stable conformation, because here not present any axial and equatorial hydrogen repulsion. But sometimes twist boat exists in a twist boat formation. This one is a middle stable, this one. But we can easily say that this one is also called twist boat, but this structure sometimes convert on that pattern. So this one is stable and this one is a middle stable, and when this structure convert of that conformer, so this one is a half chair conformation, so this one is unstable and the chair form becomes then stable. So we can easily place the reaction coordinate on the x-axis and the energy profile on our y-axis. Now we can place our all conformer. So at first one single line we also draw, and then our maxima point we just draw our maxima point. So now we can easily place, this one is our stable form, so the graph increases maximum point, and then this one is our half chair conformation, so this one is a very unstable, so half chair is present here. Now we can discuss here twist boat form. So twist boat form we know that stable, so the graph decreases. But one of the important thing is here, this one is a middle stable. Twist boat sometimes convert on that form, so some graph is increases, then this structure convert the half chair form. So the half chair form is a very unstable, so the graph increases, and then after formation of this half chair form, this one is stable, so that we can easily say that the graph decreases. So where now we discuss at this one our number one structure, and this one our number 2 structure, and this one is our number 3 structure, this one is our number 4 structure, this one is our number 5 structure, this one is our number 6 structure. So we can easily say that number 1 is placed here, number 2 which is very unstable due to the presence of the angle strain and the bond strain. So because the straight bond is formed here, 2 and 3, so 2 is present on that graph here, and 3 is very stable, so 3 is present here, and 4, this one is present here, but 4 is a slightly higher energy as compared 3, and then 5, this one is a very unstable, so 5 on that graph is present here, and 6 here present here 6. So how to conclude? So here 3 4 5 6, and then we also easily see that this position is our twist boat conformation. So here the 3 and 4 position, this one is 3, but 4 are present on that position. So we can easily say that 1 and 6 approx same energy, and 2 and 5, this 2 and this 5, 2 and 5 same energy. So which one is most stable? Twist boat form. So 3 is a most stable. Most stable form is a 3 conformer is a very stable, and 4 is a stable form. So now we can solve one problem. What of the thing is happened here? So 1 when convert to press and pull, the form is structure. This 2 and 3 bond gives single line. 2 and 3 carbon center gives are present here. Then the structure is very high energy. So if you press, that 2 is pull and 3 is press, then the structure convert on that pattern. So this one is our twist boat conformer. So twist boat conformer convert on a sometimes twist boat conformer, but on that pattern. And then this one is very stable. So if you press and pull, then the structure convert on that conformer. So this one is a conformer chair form. So if you place the all conformer in our energy profile diagram, 1 is present on downside because the very stable, 2 is a very unstable, so 2 is present here, and 3 is here. So our third position, so 3 1 is a very stable. Then the 4 conformer is our unstable as compare 3, but it one stable as compare if you chair form. Then our 3 and then 4 conformer. Where is our 4 conformer? 4. Then 4, and the 5 conformer is a very unstable. 5 is present here and 6 1 is present here. So we can easily say that we can easily draw the energy profile diagram. So here one problem is present here. So the problem is the correct order of the stability of that conformer. 1 2 3. So 1 is 2 greater than 3. Yeah, 3 is 2 greater than 1. Yeah, 2 is greater than 3 greater than 1. Yeah, 3 is greater than 1 greater than 2. What is the answer? A, B, C, D. So how to solve this? At first we know that this one is our chair form. This one is our twist boat form. We also study. This one is our chair form, but this one is our half chair configuration. This one is not chair, half chair. This one is a particular chair form, but this one is a twist boat form. So as per our energy diagram, we also study here. When you just study the half, here the graph start on that pattern where chair form is present here, and the half chair form on that graph present here. Then the boat form is present here. Then our graph increases. This one is half chair form, and here is present chair form. So we can easily say, and here present twist boat. This one is a twist boat form, and this one is a boat form. So this one our curve is reaction coordinate, and this one is our curve of energy diagram. So we can easily say that here chair form is a very stable in our graph. Then our half chair form is a very less stable. The energy level is very high. Then our twist boat form. Then our half chair form. So the option is present here. Chair form is here. This one is 3. Twist boat form is here. This one is 2. Then our half chair form is here. This one is a 1. So 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 2 greater than 1. This one is our answer. We can easily write now. This one is our answer, and this 3 option is cut down. So we can easily solve the problem in our graph. So guys, this discussion is complete. So if any question, if any doubt, please contact me and comment me. And as this video, if you like, then subscribe this channel. Thank you, and please watch is our previous video and our now this video. Thank you.